Gee whiz, I wish I knew more about photosynthesis and cellular respiration.
In mine, I spin. In mine, I spin. In mine, I spin. I'm bright around the baby. It's mine, I spin. It's mine, I spin. It's mine, I spin. I'm bright around the baby.
Thanks for that great introduction, Erica. Well, Johnny, what a great question. Cellular respiration starts with glycolysis, which occurs with or without oxygen. It takes place in the cytoplasm, and it uses glucose and 2 ATP to make 2 NADP, 2 pyruvic acids, and 4 ATP, which gives a net gain of 2 ATP.
Awesome.
Then comes the Krebs cycle. It occurs with oxygen. It uses ADP, pyruvic acid, NAD+, and FAD. It takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria.
Sweet.
It makes 3 CO2, 1 ATP, 4 NADH, 1 FADH, and it does it 2 per turn. It uses 2 glucose per turn.
2?
Yeah, I know, crazy. Last is ETC, which stands for electronic transport chains. These take place in the inner membrane of the mitochondria. They occur with oxygen and use oxygen to make water. That was Mr. Wilson in the water. And they convert NADH and FADH into NAD plus and FAD. Any questions, Johnny?
No siree, Bob.
Thanks.
Spider-Man.
Now, after that lovely demonstration by Brett, I'm going to explain photosynthesis. First, you need to know that photosynthesis is an anaerobic process, which means it does not require oxygen. The light reaction takes place in the thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast. It uses ATP and NADPH to produce sugars, lipids, and amino acids. In this reaction, light drives the synthesis of NADPH2 and ATP, the two main products of the light reaction, by energizing the two photosystems embedded in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplast. The removal of hydrogen and electrons from water by the photosystem 2 and the light produces oxygen, the other major products of the light reaction. In summary, the light reaction uses solar power to generate ATP and NADPH2, which provide power to the sugar-making reaction of the Calvin cycle. An incidental byproduct of these reactions is oxygen. Now on to the dark reaction. The dark reaction takes place in the stroma of the chloroplast. It uses sunlight, water, and electrons to produce oxygen, NADPH, and ATP. In this reaction, CO2 is converted to sugar using ATP and NADPH. CO2 is combined with a 5-carbon sugar to form a 6-carbon sugar. The 6-carbon sugar is broken into 2 sugar molecules, glucose and fructose. And as you can see here, this is the chemical formula of photosynthesis in this lovely cobalt glitter. And one more thing you need to know is that photosynthesis and cellular respiration are both biochemical reactions. Thank you.